talking to that entrepreneur, they're listening right now, and they're missing fulfillment and they're missing fun, what words of wisdom would you give them to help them to find those two things and move forward and find success?
Oh, first activity is the not to do list.
Hmm.
I noticed early in my business, I was literally doing everything. You know, I was the salesperson, I was the marketing person, I was the coach, I was the website designer, I was the SEO. Oh, what's SEO? I have to learn SEO and then I have to do it. I literally learned to do everything. But if I had stayed in my zone of genius of coaching, meeting people and coaching, I would have been able to afford to have people help me. So I would say anyone who's starting a business who thinks they need all these assets, that they need a book, that they need a podcast, they need a website, and they need a blog, and they need to be on every single social media platform, stop. What you need is sales. What you need is not more leads,
Hmm.
you need more people to understand what you do and how you help people. And once you do that, you can afford to pay someone to do all of those other things.
Very interesting. So, I mean, with that, how does someone find you on the internet? Like, what's your social media handles? What website should we send them to?
SuzanneTaylorKing.com, and on all platforms, Suzanne Tailored Coaching. So